What's going on, tubes? 03 Saturn fan. Here's gonna be a quick video on the Ion 3 mainly. Nothing to report about the 2. Couple weeks ago, sometime, was noticing when it's cooler outside. First start of the day, getting a bit of what I thought was sure was timing chain noise. It's got about before I did the chain, it had about 195, say 600. So I decided to order the parts from Rock Auto. Got the Cloyes kit. I don't have the part number, don't remember. It's like 94201 SWP, I think. But I had to water pump all the guides and everything, both chains, and like I said, all the guides. So weekend before last, we did the timing chains, guides, and water pump on the Ion 3. Took us 9 hours to do. If you can do something like this yourself, I definitely would recommend it. There are some good videos out there on YouTube. The videos we followed were from Cloyes. The boxes had links on them that you could follow. So we did that ourselves. Took 9 hours. Called our mechanic. He quoted me, he said $1,000 minimum. He said it'd been a long time since he'd done a 2.2 Ecotech. So ordered the parts from Rock Auto. Valve cover gaskets, front main timing cover gaskets, all that stuff. The timing kit, complete timing kit, and it was like $250 after tax. So I think the timing components were like $182 basically. Got everything taken apart, and discovered that the hydraulic part of the tensioner that's on the secondary chain had failed, or was failing. The secondary chain had a lot of slack in it. Like I say, good thing I followed my gut, ordered the kit, and we did it. The primary chain for the crankshaft and the camshafts had no slack in it. It was tight, but you're already there. You gotta take it loose anyway. You may as well do it all. So, like I said, we did it all. About 3 weeks ago, though, when I started noticing all this, I don't know if I wouldn't say it's a tick. It's definitely not a knock. But like the first minute on a first start of the day, I'm gonna call it a tick. It sounds kind of like the valve tick on the 01 Town & Country. And I think I found one other video on YouTube of a 2.2 Ecotech. And I think it is one of the bolts for the exhaust manifold, or the exhaust manifold has got a crack or something in it somewhere. So been trying to trace that. I'm 99.99% sure that's what it is. Nothing we've done on it. I've been trying to slowly get everything done that I think needs done. When we did the timing chains, noticed the serpentine belt tensioner was really noisy, had a lot of noise in it, and it wasn't smooth at all. So did that in the serpentine belt. So she's pretty much perfect. Actually, Ion 3 is a little bit quieter than the Ion 2 now. And just today, I was scrolling Instagram, guy with the Ion red line, I'm not sure what year it is, he has LED daytime running lights. Yeah, never mind, I can't. LED daytime running lights. And I asked him what he had, and he has some switchbacks. So daytime running lights are white, like they'd be on the Camaro. Hit the turn signal, they go yellow, like for the turn signals, and then of course, like I say, switch back. Ordered them for both cars, so the front ends will be complete LED, with the exception of the lights right there. So I'm excited about that. I got both sets for both cars for like $40.46 after tax on Amazon. So they're supposed to be here this week. Can't wait for those. And once they get here, I will do a video of them. He said I'm on his red line for like 9 months. So yeah, both cars pretty much, or red cars, are they're both pretty much perfect. As perfect as they can be. The red car's like 195, 860 I think, and the white one's creeping up on 160, I believe. I'm going to do the chains and guides on the white car, the Ion 2, at some point. Just because mileage wise it's time, or getting close to time. Everything I read online says 80 to 120,000. But there are people on the forums on Facebook who have 300,000 and haven't done them. So mechanic said that if he wouldn't fool with them unless they're starting to make noise. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. Not having no problems, I really don't want to go looking for problems, as I'm known to do. But anyway, enough of me rambling on. I will catch you guys in the next video. Take care, everyone.